Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Obviously, by the title of this video, you know that I'm going to be showing you some of the goodies that I picked up at Ikea this past weekend. Me and my mama went out for a girls' weekend. We really enjoyed ourselves, and I shared a few pictures over on my Instagram, so if you want to see that, you can definitely go and check it out. But today, I'm going to be sharing all of the goodies that I picked up, and because I know you guys enjoy seeing how I use these items in my house, what was the whole purpose behind me purchasing it in the first place, I want to take you along as I decorate with the items throughout our home. So let's go ahead and jump on into the haul and decorate. I fell in love with these wine glasses. I want to say that I seen someone on Instagram share these and I was just like, where'd she get this from? Because they're so different. I love the really thin stem here, but I also love the fact that it was flat along the bottom. I just thought these were just so different. I feel like these are our grown-up wine glasses. I mean, they're not like extremely expensive, but I've only ever bought wine glasses from the Dollar Tree, and I just think these are just so sophisticated looking. So I will be using these on our dining room table for our Christmas setup, our little dining room display there, and I'll just be using these all throughout the year to drink out of them because I think they're fancy looking and I like them. But I want to say they were $4 a piece, and I picked up 4 of these. Once again, another thing that I am replacing because it was a Dollar Tree item and it broke a long time ago and I never got another one, but I needed a cake stand, and this one is really, really nice. I cannot remember how much this was, maybe like $7 or something, but it's huge. I mean, I have a pretty big head and this is bigger. So it has really sturdy latches on all 4 sides, and it has a really nice handle on the top. You gotta make a pretty big dessert to fill this joker up. So I mean, I thought this was a really good find, and the name of it is Crispig. I know I'm not going to pronounce any of these right, but if you're needing a cake plate, especially this time of year, this is really the only time of year that I bake anything, so this is going to come in handy for sure. I've had my eye on these for a while, and I just didn't want to pay the price, which they're not that expensive, especially if you compare them to, I want to say it's the Hearth and Hand. Tell me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but I want to say the Hearth and Hand has a blackware, would you call it silverware? I don't know, but they have a set, but it's not even like multiple sets. It's literally just the one set, and it was expensive. But this is a set of 4, and I think it was $60. This is the Tillaged, don't know, but there's 20 pieces in here, so there's 4 of each of the 5 different ones. So you get 2 different size spoons, 2 different size forks, and then the 1 knife. And my husband said when we go back, we're getting another set of these, and we're just going to get rid of all the other ones. I haven't tried these out yet. It says they're dishwasher safe, but I will definitely put them to the test, and I'll probably let you guys know sometime in the future, or maybe over on my Instagram profile. Last time I went to Ikea, I wanted to pick up some big pillows and pillow covers for our bed. I like the look of the really big, like almost Euro, I guess, style pillows across the back of the bed, and I felt like I needed just one more. We have a king size bed, and I picked up 3 on our last trip, but I felt like it just needed one more. I'm hoping that I didn't overdo it and it doesn't look crazy, but I got another one of the inners. They're 26 by 26. This is the cheaper one. They have 2 different ones. It's not like we're sleeping on these, so it really didn't matter to me if it was like really fluffy and nice. So I got the cheaper one of those. And for our pillow covers, I just got another one, because like I said, I'm just adding another one to the little collection. But this color is the Sanella. It's like it's not a dark gray. I feel like it's a medium gray. And this is just a 26 by 26. I want to say that this was maybe $12. Don't quote me on that. I do think the pillow was maybe 6 or 7. It was pretty affordable. I don't think you can really get this size pillow and pillow cover anywhere else for that cheap. On my last trip to Ikea, if you missed that video, I will link both of them down below. I did a shop with me and a haul when I got back to show you all the goodies. But I picked up a cutting board. They have some of the nicest and most affordable cutting boards that I've probably ever seen in my life. But on this trip, I got some oil so that I could oil that cutting board to keep it nice. I haven't even used it yet because I didn't have this. I wanted to make sure that I didn't mess it up. So I picked up some of this. I, once again, have no idea how much it was. I know it was under 10 bucks for sure. And this is a pretty big bottle at 17 ounces. And they have the instructions on here, so you'll know exactly what to do with it, how often to oil your cutting board. So I'm pretty excited to actually put that cutting board into use. We're getting into some of the funner stuff. Is funner a word? But I've been on the hunt for some really nice knit festive blankets, and I did not think that I was going to find them at Ikea. That wasn't on my list of things walking in there, but this is the Inga Britta. I think this was $24.99, and it is 51 by 67 inches, so that is a pretty good size knit blanket, and it's a really nice festive red. I don't know if this is going in our living room or our bedroom. I'm thinking in our bedroom though. I know I'm going to layer blankets on our bed. I'm really excited about that because I just love blankets, and this time of year when it's getting colder, all those blankets just give you that extra comfy vibes. So I'm super excited for this. They had this in a bunch of colors too, so if red's not your thing, they got some neutrals too. If you're on the hunt for some really nice affordable blankets, y'all, this is really good for the price. My most favorite blanket of life. I don't know how this one's gonna hold up in the washing machine. I really don't, but I think it is amazing. It is the Ophelia. That's like the most normal name I've seen on any of this stuff. But it's like an off-white, sort of cream. But y'all, I'm all about texture. I'm all about like that just extra cozy vibes. I love fur blankets. I love like the tassels that hang off blankets. And this blanket is like extra fluffy in all the best ways. I want to say this one was $29.99, and I think this one also come in a couple different colors, but this one is perfect. I wanted this color because it can go in any room, any time of the year. It's definitely going to give me that festive vibe because it kind of reminds me of like snow. I don't know, but I think this one's going to be absolutely perfect. And it's also in the 51 by 67 inch, so this is a really good size too. I think probably this is my most favorite purchase because the last trip that we went, I wanted this lamp so bad and they were out of stock, and I did not want to order it online and have to pay for shipping and all that jazz. So I said next time I will just try to find it again and hope that they have it. So I ended up going to Target like maybe a week later, and I found a desk lamp that I put in my office. I kind of settled for that lamp because I really needed one in there. I didn't want to wait till the next time. But I ended up using that lamp in my bedroom design back in my childhood bedroom at my parents' house. It actually was perfect in there, and I really didn't love it for my office. Thankfully, when we went to Ikea this time, they had my lamp. This comes in off-white and black. I got the off-white just to brighten up the space a little bit. But this is really cheap. I think this was $25, cheaper than the one I found at Target. But this one's adjustable. It has like exposed wire, but it's like black and white, which goes along with my office. And then the hardware on it is that brassy gold finish. I cannot wait to see this in my office. I think it's going to be perfect. I have definitely been needing this. I've been doing a lot of late night editing, which happens this time of year because of all of the holiday content. But I'm so excited for this, and if you guys need a desk lamp and you like the style of this, I would highly recommend it. Okay guys, that is all of the things that I picked up at Ikea this time. If you love Ikea as much as I do, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite finds, your favorite things to get from Ikea? Y'all, the stores are huge. I wish I had one a little bit closer, but it's probably a good thing that I have to drive a little piece to get to it, because can you imagine me in there every weekend just walking the aisles of Ikea, living my best life? I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.